How to leave a class on Google Classroom on iPad. When you leave from a class, you will no longer see it in your classroom, but all of your class files are stored in your Google Drive. Note: you can unenroll from an archive class. Contact your teacher and ask them to unarchive the class so you can unenroll. Open Classroom app. On the class, tap More and then tap Unenroll. Tap Unenroll to confirm. You have left the class on your iPad now. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.